Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Fortnite building bug in the latest update. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you are experiencing a building bug in Fortnite after the latest update, it is usually caused by a temporary bug or a setting conflict rather than an intentional gameplay change. Many players notice that their builds feel delayed, incorrect, or wacky when placing structures. Fortunately, there are a few simple fixes you can try inside the game settings. One of the first things you should try is turning off the simple build feature. This option was added in newer updates and can sometimes cause building problems for certain players. To do this, open Fortnite and go to Settings, then navigate to the Gameplay tab. Look for the Building section and disable Simple Build and Simple Edit if they are turned on. After turning these options off, return to the game and test your building again to see if the issue is fixed. Another common solution is resetting your building keybinds to default. Sometimes the bug happens because of conflicts between custom keybinds or a glitch in the control settings. Go to Settings, open the Gamer Controls section, and look for the Restore to Default option for building controls. Resetting the binds can remove any hidden conflicts that may have appeared after the update. Finally, after making these changes, restart Fortnite completely. Once the game starts again, test building in a match or creative mode. These steps usually fix the building bug for many players. However, if the issue is caused by a game update bug, the developers at Epic Games will likely release a patch to fix it in a future update. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the Fortnite building bug in the latest update. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.